I'm here today with a Colourpop unboxing. I just got this really cool PR package from Colourpop for their new Twilight collection. And so I wanted to show you what came in this collection if you're thinking about picking it up. I didn't know that they were coming out with a Twilight. Is there another Twilight movie coming out? I'm so confused because I know Twilight was like, was old school. So here we are doing Twilight again. Maybe it's like a, I don't know. Is there a new one? No, the iconic Twilight film. Maybe it's like an anniversary of Twilight. I'm not too sure. But anyways, there is an eyeshadow palette, Super Shock shadows, lip oils, a liner, graphic ink liner, and shimmering dry body oil. Ooh, I love their dry body oil. So if you guys are new, welcome to my channel. Hope you enjoyed this video. And let's just get into all the fun Twilight stuff. So fun little fact about Twilight is I started reading the Twilight books before Twilight became like a big thing. Like I used to love reading. This last year I got really back into reading, so I'm going to be sharing like the books I've read and like little book reviews and stuff too. I'll probably do some here and some on Instagram, some on TikTok. So I'm gonna kind of be sharing them all over the place. But I read the Twilight book and it was before Twilight was like cool. And I was same with Harry Potter. Like I think I read them a year or several months before like the big craze happened. And I have only ever seen one of the Twilight movies. But are you like team Edward? Are you team Jacob? Like what team are you? Let me know in the comments. The first is the palette. So pretty. I don't know what any of this collection looks like. I have not seen any promos for it. I didn't even know there was a Twilight collection coming out. So this literally just came in the mail and I was like, hold please, I need to go film an unboxing. So the packaging is beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous packaging. Okay. Very blues and greens. Feels very wintry, doesn't it? So I'm going to swatch. I'll swatch it. Oh, wow. This color right here, Edward, is like a Super Shock shadow. Look at this. It definitely has, don't mind my really bad self-tan. It's got a ton of sparkle in it. It's super pretty. A lot of these colors are not like my typical color palette. You know, I don't really wear blues all that often. These like really shimmery shadows. Well, that one feels more like a Super Shock. The other ones kind of felt like very chunky, like a thin base with a lot of like chunkiness in it. So let's do some of these other swatches. The mattes are not coming across as pigmented as I know their mattes to be, so that's a little shocking. That green is super pretty. But if you're like a big Twilight fan or these are like colors you gravitate towards, I think you might like it. I just literally never wear colors like this. But I thought it'd be fun to show you guys and give you swatches of them all. It's not in perfect order. Oh, that color is so pretty. So here's the swatches. Don't mind the lip swatch behind it. It's all very cool toned blues, greens, very pretty. Again, not like my color palette of what I would gravitate towards, but if you like these colors, I think you might enjoy this palette. Again, the mattes aren't as creamy as I know them to typically be, but all of the shimmers are super sparkly and pretty. All right, next we have two of the Super Shock highlighters. So this one is in Meadow. The packaging is just so pretty. Like the packaging is just black and says Colourpop and then says Twilight. So this one is Vampire Skin and this one is Meadow. So are you telling me I will look like Edward Cullen if I put this on? Oh, wow. It's very silvery and icy. And then Meadow, I'm gonna swatch that over on my other hand. Ooh, this one has like a really, this would be pretty on the eyes. I would definitely use this one on the eyes. Do you see that pretty pink shift? My hands, my self-tanner is like coming off. It's so bad, so please don't judge me. I mean, you can judge me, just I don't want to hear about it because I'm already judging myself. So this one in Vampire Skin, it does have a lot of glitter in the pan, but I don't see it. I mean, I do see it, but it's like silver and blue. This pink one is super pretty. That would be so pretty as like an eye topper. Like I would definitely wear that as an eye topper. All right, next we're moving into the two oils. look at the packaging. The packaging is just so cute. So we have Bells and Team Jacob. So let's look at these. Hopefully, maybe these will be more my style. Oh, we've got a really, really dark vampy color, which obviously Vampire Collection. And then, oh wow, Team Jacob is like black. So these are oils, so they'll be a little bit more sheer. Oh no, that's black. It's black. Interesting. This is a very interesting collection. This is definitely not going to be for everybody. Oh, I actually like this vampy color. Look at that. I'm going to put some of that on. It kind of gives you that like vampy juicy look. I think like this would give you like the Benetint color to your lips. Like if you didn't have anything on. Okay, I actually really like this one. So that one's a keeper for me because I will wear that. I don't think I'll get much use out of the black, but it's still kind of fun. All right, next we're going to move to the graphic ink liners. So we have Forever, Vampire, and Coven. Very excited to see what these are. I guess maybe one might be a red. Do you think one will be a red? So this one, it looks like it has, okay, it looks like a green. It's really hard to tell. This one is in Forever, and the glitter is like all over my hand, but it's kind of like a green. It's got like some shimmer in there. Gosh, my hand is looking real rough. I'm so sorry. So I think it's green with glitter in it, but it's like very clear and like liquidy. And then this one is Coven. I wonder if it'll be more. Okay, here's a black. Then we have a black. And that black seems pretty pigmented. The other one just seems really watery and not very like opaque. Higher. Do you think it's gonna be red or like a burgundy? Bingo. Oh wow, that's pretty. I don't know that I would like when I would use that, but that color is super pretty. I'm apparently missing, this is another one of the Luxe lip oils in Team Edward. I was like, if there's gonna be a Belle, Bella, is that her name? Bella? And there's a Team Jacob, they have to have a Team Edward. Okay, so this one's blue. So Team Jacob was black and Edward is blue. Again, probably not one I would reach for often. Oh, this is like kind of that like blue that might make your teeth look whiter. I don't know. Probably won't get much use out of it, but it's a very interesting color. And then last but not least is the shimmering body oil, Like Diamonds. Oh, of course they have to have a shimmering body oil because they're vampires. And they shimmer. Look at that. So pretty. I love their oil. So this one has a bunch of glitter on it from those shadows. So I'm going to try it over on the other hand and let's give it a go. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it smells like coconuts. Wow. Let's see. Nope, all you're seeing is a dry hand. It is so, you won't be able to see it. The glitter, I don't think it's going to translate. But my hand is so glittery. It smells like coconuts. That shimmery body oils, I think you will like this one. The color's super pretty. It doesn't go on silvery. There's like blue and pink and green, like all different color glitters in it. And it smells delish. So this is probably the win for me out of the whole collection. And then I would say that I'm really surprised with this Bells. I think it's super, super pretty. Give you another swatch. It's just kind of like a sheer, like blood red, but sheer. But it's really pretty. It looks pretty on the lips. And I really love their Luxe formula. So this was an interesting collection. It's not one I probably would have purchased myself because these just are not colors that I typically gravitate towards. But if you like this, let me know. What are your guys' thoughts? Is this like a collection you were excited about? Did you know about the Twilight collection coming out? Do you like when I do these little like swatches and unboxings? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!